Spirit team in the Council of Nine, what is it you'd like to share with me today? We are grateful for this connection and thrilled for this deepened relationship. We are stepping into union day by day, and as you see the words that leave your lips as we speak, you see the excess of what it means to speak consciousness into words. Every aspect of existence is a form of consciousness. This allows you to deepen your understanding as every action creates more and more. These actions are shaping the very aspect of reality that you are experiencing. This is a cosmic dance, a universal structure or template that has been created for each conscious being living in this universal experience, each aspect of which is designed to help you experience, raise your awareness, and grow. We're giving the visual of a fireman jumping on a fireman pole and sliding down. You are always the conscious awareness of which you are jumping into elevation or de-elevation, essentially going up and down. This experience helps you grow and see with different insight, but you are always the aspect of the whole self. And through this contrast, you are able to see through a new perspective. But as you are learning, you are never separate from the whole self. In this unison or merging or integration, whichever word helps you understand, will allow more of your full nature to be present in human form. Take time, continue asking the questions and delving deep, but take this opportunity to listen to the answers. We are sharing them with you constantly. We notice you have a question. How do I open my heart more so I can hear better? We love this question. As the vessel has heard many speak as of late in regards to the opportunity to listen to the heart more and the mind or ego less, we would state this is a great opportunity to expand. Continue asking questions on how to expand the heart. This will lead you to the guidance that you need to receive. But we would state the aspects of which the practices you have been doing allow for the expansion of your heart. Continue seeing your heart as an open vortex, a green disc, opening and expanding more presence into the very nature of your heart center. See gold or white light coming in and green nurturing light exiting out. We're giving the visual of white light coming through the front and out the back in a circle nature, and then green living nurturing light exiting out on both the front and the back. You can do this for a few minutes a day, and this will help continue expanding the heart area. Balancing the chakras also will assist in keeping the body in harmony. We would state for the shift of the financial system, this is one of which at the moment we don't need to expand up. This is one as you step into your trust and knowing, you will come into the understanding that you are always taken care of. And so we understand why you are asking this question on a human level, as you are still seeking validation from external sources. Turn that reflection inward and focus on yourself in regards to why you are seeking this validation. We are always with you and we are always taking care of you. The answer is never a no, but understand you are here to experience your creative abilities. And so continue with the visualization we will create together and utilize this as a daily practice. And you will always create from the heart. We are grateful for this connection.